Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the past couple of days have been very, very solid. When you consider where it's closed compared to where it was not that long ago, I think everybody would agree, yeah, this here has been a nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to me, that all revolves around a single point, and that's why I love charts, makes things very simplified. And that's right here at $11.40. Why is $11.40 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $11.40. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back down into this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, which I'd consider a pretty drastic pullback, bounces around, and then heads back up. So even after a pretty drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. Previous set would be, down around this area of the chart. You picture each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, from a big picture perspective, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this situation, I'm just quantifying and defining quote-unquote progress as 1140. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward here. All about the pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. When you look here, you can see that the price directly was rejected by it right there. So while I'm not saying that the price can't break above the pink line, the bulls are definitely going to have to bring their A game if they're not only going to push above it, but then start to maintain up above it. Anyway, you slice it though, past couple of days have been very solid. Now it's just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.